Hi everyone, welcome to SAP World. In this video we will learn how to post a document in SAP using foreign currency and how to display posted document and balances of GL accounts. For posting document, T-code is F-02. Select the document date and posting date. Select the company code. Select the currency, here I am using USD. Select the posting period, otherwise it will adjust automatically. Posting key 40 for debit. Select salary account in account field. If you remember, you can give number or you can search. Enter the amount. Select the business area. Enter the text posting related. Next, select the posting key 50 for credit. Select the credit account GL number. Enter star symbol in amount field. Select business area. Give hashtag in text field. Click enter, it will convert into amount and text. Here we can see the amount of $10,000 converted into INR at the rate of $82. Next, go to document and select simulate. We can see preview of document before post it. If everything fine, just click on save for posting. Document 2 was posted in company code time. From here we can display the document. Go to document. Select display. This option works for recent document. Click on display currency, we can see the preview in local currency INR. We can display the document in general ledger view and entry view. Next, display document using T-code FB03. Give document number, company code and fiscal year. We can see the document preview. Click back arrow. Click on document list. Enter document from number and to number. Select fiscal year. Click on execute. We can see total documents we posted. Here we have only 2 documents. Next, display balances, T-code is FBL3N. Select GL account from number and to number. Click on execute. Here we can see the balances in separate line items. Next, display GL balances, T-code is FS10N. 4201 account is created for salary. Click on execute. We can see the amount in debit side. Click on back arrow. Enter account of USA Bank and click execute. We can see the amount in credit side. Amount credited in USA Bank. Click on back arrow. Select one to all accounts. Click on execute. We can see debit and credit side balances of total accounts. In this video we have learnt how to post document and how to check the balances of accounts. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.